Let's do your core. You're going to bring your left hand on your right thigh. You're going to use your palm, okay? Shoulders are down and back. Lift the heart. We're going to inhale. Exhale, gently press into your thigh. And I want you to stay nice and tall. I don't want you to do that. So again, inhale to release. Exhale to press. Okay, where do you feel it? Yes, triceps. Okay, feel the contraction. What else? Yes, see, right behind your hand, you should feel the contraction right here behind. Feel that. If you stay nice and tall, you should feel it. 2 more times. 1 more. And we have 2 sides. So again, lift your heart, shoulders down and back. Inhale, exhale to press. Again, just be aware where you're going to feel it. A little bit of the front shoulder as well. Exhale to press. Inhale. Exhale to press. 2 more. And last one. And release. Rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. I want you to lengthen your legs, both of them. You can even walk forward. You're going to curl your toes in your shoes, slide your feet back, and bring your toes and heels, not your heels, but your toes up towards the sky. And we're going to go back, slide your feet, lift your toes up, curls, and slide your feet back, and then lift again, your heels up. Slide again, curl your toes and lift. Slide your legs back, and then lift your toes again. Why do you think I'm lifting your toes? Do you feel the stretch? Yes. Yeah, so that's why. I want you to lift your feet, being able to lift your feet to avoid falling on your face. When we shuffle, that's the best way to break your nose, okay? That's not the way I broke my nose. Good. It's playing sport. And go back. Lift your toes. Good. I'm going to switch it up. Slide again. Lift your toes. And curl. Come back. And on your heels up. Yep. And then we should sing another song by doing all that. Which one do you all know? I had that. This is exactly what I was thinking. But I don't know it. You're going to sing it. Row, row, row your boat. You still need to move. Again. Voila. Good job, Carol. And we're just going to finish up. That's it. And then we're going to stay right here. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. Good. So I told you about the story with my 86 years old gentleman. He came to me with a walker. He forgot his walker 3 weeks later. And now he's using a cane just for safety. Sometimes he forget his cane, so he walk around without his cane. And what I did, it was a lot of balance exercise, and I stretched a lot his back of the legs. That way he can now lift his feet. He doesn't shuffle anymore. We're going to inhale, reach. Exhale, palms down. Bring your arms in from sweep, your arm up. Exhale, cactus. And again, up. Exhale, palms down. Same thing, arms in front, inhale. Exhale, cactus. One more time up. Reach, stay right here. Reach for the clouds. Bring your shoulders up. That's the only time I give you permission to lift your shoulders. Who? Can you go higher? Can you be taller? Try it. And release. Rotate again your shoulders backwards. Would you like some water? Good. I'm going to go back to legs. Let's do the windshield wiper. I'm wondering how it's going to go. With my shorts are pretty short. I'm not sure I'm going to slide very well. Let's try. So if I do a hip flexor stretch, I'm going to come back to inhale, exhale to switch. So lifting the heart, use your breath to move side to side. That's a windshield wiper. And I wish we would use ours on our cars. It's pretty dry outside. We need water. We need rain. That's it. Yeah. Okay, next time I'm gonna come to the kitchen, to the right. Let's see here. We'll stretch the front of the leg. They are always tight. So when your hips are tight, including your hip flexors, it pulls your lower back. So lift the heart, look straight ahead, and I'm gonna bring modifications. Are you back to your breath? No answers. That's not a good sign. Did you fall asleep on me? Yes. Let's go up with your arm. So your arm that is the closest to me, left arm. Yep. And then we're gonna go side. So I'm putting my hand on the back of my seat here to support, and then I'm gonna go scrunch to the side to the chair. Are you still lifting your heart? Good. And let's inhale up, exhale to release, and we're gonna switch right here. Turn to your chair. I'm using my left hand on the outside of my knee. Rotate towards the chair. Respect your neck and your spine. Slowly come back. Bring the leg back to neutral. Let's switch it up. Same thing. Try to be on your tippy toes at the back. Yeah, if you have a hamstrings, cramp, bring the leg back. Try again. It happens. Again, lift the heart. Look straight ahead. And instead of doing the chicken, what are you going to do? Boop. Yeah. So bring your neck back. Chin tuck. Shoulders down and back. Sit the shoulders right in the shoulder blades area. When you're ready, bring your right arm up, the arm that is the closest to me. And then let's go again. Side flexion of your spine towards the chair. Feel a deeper stretch at the front of the hip. Do you feel that? See, hips are tight. Inhale up, exhale, go in rotation. So again, look back towards the chair. Keep the shoulders down. If you can, look above your left shoulder at the back. And slowly come back. Bring the leg back to neutral. Yourself to neutral. Then we're going to do the chair squats. My favorite. I know it's not yours. But let's go up, nice and tall. And slowly come down. Slow. Slow to come up. Contract your glutes. It's way harder when we take our time. Ingrid, slower. Imgard, I call you Ingrid. Imgard, slow to come down. And then we're going to shake. So, okay, let's go again for 4. Contract your glutes, finish your movement. Yes, anytime it's getting too much for your knees, stop, take your break. How many do we have? How many is that? Oh, you. Let's go again for 2, my favorite number. Yes, finish your move. Yes, we have one more. We're going to stay up. Let's go up. Beautiful. Open your arms and legs. Mountain pose. You're welcome to close your eyes. Okay, try to let go. You can close your eyes. Shake, 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 shake. Let go. Come on. Move your legs. Move your head. Listen to your neck. Okay, you need to shake more than that. Come on. Let go. Yeah, you can sing. Go for it. Keep going. Ah, I know. Open your arms and legs just by your side. Take deep breaths through your nose. What are you feeling? Tingling everywhere. Even your nose? And let's go back in downward facing dog. So right behind your chair. Yeah. Try to lengthen your legs. Listen to your hamstrings. Listen to your back and shoulders.